This is an onion and garlic. And these are peppers. Serrano and habanero. Cut those up. Should probably wear a glove when you touch these peppers because they're super hot. Better get a beer. Heat up a pan with some olive oil. Put in those things. Don't cook that till it's soft, and then put it in there. This is some pork. Start cutting that up and preheat the oven over here. This is a tomatillo from Eugene. You're gonna have to peel it. Might need 2 hands. Yeah, use 2 hands and start peeling those. These are Anaheim chilies, and we are going to roast them. Now that your tomatillos are peeled, drizzle olive oil and mix. You probably just roast these at the same time as the other guys. Going to want to season this with chili powder and salt. You may want to do it in 2 batches because this is only half of the amount of pork. Got to brown this pork in the pan. Alright, when these peppers are done, got to take them out and then throw them right into a paper bag for 5 minutes. Just put that over here for now. Once you got them kind of brown, put them in the pot with the other stuff. Alright, we're going to take one of these things out of the bag and peel it and take the seeds out and then put it in the blender. Also, we're going to take out the tomatillos. Holy cow. We're going to take those out and put them in the blender with the Anaheim chilies. Once you put the rest of the pork in the stock pot, got to deglaze this pan. That's chicken broth. Now we've got roasted tomatillos and roasted Anaheim chilies, so we're going to blend. Alright, then dump it. In with the pork and other items. Gonna put in some cumin. Make sure to add some paprika, garlic powder. This is oregano. Alright. Put the heat on low, put a lid on it, let it cook for a long time, and clean this stuff up before your wife gets pissed. Gotta hang on and wait for a couple hours, so have a snack. Gonna want to stir it a couple times throughout. Looks gross, smells great. This is a garlic. This is lime juice. This is cilantro. Gotta have this one. Go put some cumin in this. You know, we need to make something so that we can cool it down because it's gonna be spicy, but we want everybody to be able to enjoy it together. Here's some more oregano. You know, my brother used to make oregano when we were kids. So we're gonna put some yogurt in there, and that'll help. Go and give another go around. Yeah, see, that's gonna cool it right down. After all this hard work and a couple of beers, you might want to take a seltzer break. Pizza break. There's some of this. Put a little bit in a bowl. Put a little bit of that on there. Ready to serve. It's really good.